This is our Barrio Boloc, Sibulan.
What does Boloc mean?
Boloc means for me, sir, it's just some words. So some people that connecting with each other. That's why they call Boloc. Because some of living of Boloc are not normally lives in Sibulan, but looks like lives also in Mabinay, Tayasan, gathering here in Barangay Boloc.
Yep. So is there going to be building work because I see cement here?
Maybe they have some construction. Maybe they have just built a house or a tangkay for the pig.
Or for baboy pig?
Baboy, yeah.
Do they breed pigs?
Yes, sir. The breeder, that one there also. That's my cousin.
Where is the water pump, natural water pump here?
That one, sir. Bomba.
Bumba.
Yeah. That's Bomba.
So this is the Bumba.
Yeah.
How long has the Bumba been here?
That's more than 20 years.
Can you show us it working so we can?
This is Bomba working for almost. This is Bomba, by the way, working for almost 20 years. Very, very clean.
It's fresh.
It's fresh.
Can you drink?
Yes, sir.
Yeah?
You can drink it, one. Because it's very normal because it comes from the mountain.
So you don't have to buy fresh water, you just drink?
Sometimes, if your stomach is not fighting for this one, you need to buy generalized water. Ayo! De? Ayo! 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 Ay! Halot ko lang! Hotel mo? Sige.
Unsa ni?
Wi-Fi, piece of Wi-Fi.
So to get
If you want to connect, you need to have 5 pesos
5
or 1
peso.
peso, 10 pesos.
and then you get password and
Yes, sir. Mostly.
good business. Mayo business. Mayo. Good.
This is the house of my uncle, sir, the brother of Arcelita and Rosalita. But my uncle was passed away also on 2015,
What age?
age 40 years old. And his wife also died at 2017.
What age was the?
They died at 59 years old. We're here again, having some vlogging. Some traditional vlogging and some interesting idea.
Vlogging,
Vlogging.
lakaw, suroy.
This is the place that we play volleyball.
Volleyball.
Yes.
How many people live in the Barrio, Rolando?
We have in entire Barrio only we have 500 people.
500.
Yeah, or more than 500 people for now. Not like before, I can't estimate, but for now maybe 500, more than 500. This is the play of volleyball if Saturday and Sunday, like before.
It's Mayo, the net to stop the ball going over.
Yes, sir. Kanina ako pasahero. Kanina ako lang.
Dito, nakabantay mo ka namin.
He just remembered you, sir.
Nakalimot ko. Volleyball.
Di ko gapaan.
Volleyball. Duha years
2 years ago.
2023.
Just that's maybe the dog will.
Bite.
No, come here.
Oh, bite.
You can walk.
Dog will bite?
Yeah, bye.
Yeah.
No.
Maybe the
Because it
dog-
tastes like lechon. Lami. Gigutom kakaron.
Ah,
figure razor. Figure.
Baboy.
Yeah.
Baboy, are you good boy?
yung baboy.
How many pig?
Bila kabula.
One month.
Or more than 5
5?
pigs.
Can we see
An adult.
my hapon?
That's called Bactin, sir.
Bactin?
Bactin. Yeah,
Bactin.
Bactin.
What's Bactin?
Small pigs.
Small pig.
Ah, gamayra.
Yeah. Gamayra.
That's good for lechon.
Gamayra. Small
Yeah.
pig. Gamayra.
It's more lami.
Yes, sir.
It's mahal kaayo.
Yeah,
Gamayra.
Not so expensive.
3-5.
3.5 and full grown is takpila.
Huh?
Takpila
The
to
big
buy
one?
dako baboy.
More. It depends on the weight and kilos.
Yes.
So medio average
5,500.
5,500 is expensive to feed
Yeah,
pigs.
Expenses, big expenses.
So if a
Feed that feeds have pigs.
You will have budget to have feeds at one sack. You will buy 2,500
kada
one
bulan,
month.
kada bulan.
Yes, sir.
That's mahal kayo. Is it worthwhile feeding the pigs and then selling?
Yeah.
Because you break even or
Sometimes it's good if you have a business like this, because the feed sometimes, the pig most likely higher if there's a occasion.
it's higher if
There's a occasion like festa,
okay, festival.
and birthday,
Birthdays.
graduation or wedding.
Kasabot ko. Yeah.
That's more higher, the pig. Sometimes the pig are expensive 7,500 more than for the lechon.
For lechon only.
But I think after what you're saying, to buy feed, to look after the baboy is really big job and
It's a good job.
expensive.
It's
It's
a
good?
job.
If you have that kind,
Yeah, it's good.
Baboy is good.
But you have patience,
Patience.
big patience.
Yeah.
patience, because they have sometimes.
Sometimes the boy will attack you.
Yeah,
They're very hungry.
Jollibee, McD, McDo.
Jollibee. There's a piggery there, oh.
There's a bigger sir.
Yeah, there's so many.
Lion means they can born new pig.
New pig.
This
New
one.
pig.
A lion
A
means
lion
you
can
burn.
born new pig.
Baby
Give birth to.
Yeah.
So it's like breeding
Yes,
the
sir.
pigs.
This one.
Okay. Wow, that's dako big,
Bila lang kilo dong?
big.
Bila lang kilo? Oh. Shin kapinsa. This is the owner.
Yeah. 80 key. No.
It is
Aloha. My hapon. Lechon. So how many pig pens do we have here?
Pila ka pali dong? Isa, dua, tulo, apat, lima.
Wow.
5.
Cute.
5, sir.
5. Itchy. That's
good
different
for
color.
Yeah, that's good for lechon also.
Rolando gigutom ka karon. Why? It's a special breed because different color.
Yes, because it depends on the price also, sir. But I think this one, pila ni dong? Pila ni baligyan eh?
10?
10,000?
10K?
10,000. But
So,
this,
okay, sorry. Carry on.
okay, but this one, sir, it's different price also. Maybe this one is 5,500.
5,000.
Yeah.
So is it good to breed pigs and sell them young because you get 5K?
Yeah.
So you don't spend as much on feeds?
Actually, sir, the breeding of the pig, it's 3 months.
Ah,
Yes, because if you will 4 months, you will be no budget for the feed because it's very
so you, yeah,
Bebas.
yeah, kasabot.
That's why
Baby,
that's her son.
baby's name?
Nicole.
Nicole.
Yes.
Nicole,
Hi.
hello. Guapa babae, baby. Yeah,
Beautiful.
nindot. So how many pigs do they have altogether?
7,
7?
yeah, all, but different mother.
Ah, so it's good business.
Good business.
Good business.
If you have enough budget, it's good. If you have patience,
Patience.
the most important one is patience
So on average, it takes 3 or 4 months for the pigs
Yes,
to
sir.
fully grow,
to be grow.
and then you want to
But-
sell after that.
Yeah, but usually it's 3 months only.
3 tulo
Tulo
kabulawan,
Tulo kabulan.
tula kabulan.
That's the most usually feeding for the pigs. 3 months.
So how much on average would I spend in 3 months to feed one pig?
You
Say I
will,
buy bags of feed.
you will budget one sack only for 1 month. You
One
call-
sack for one pig for 1 month.
Yes, sir.
So tagpila for 1 month.
I think it's for 1 month 1,500 because in other month it's different feed also, different food. That's why you cost in 2 months you cost 2,000 for one sack. Then after 3 months you cost only 2,500.
So in total,
You will cost 6,000,
6,000 over the
Yes.
3 months.
Three.
And then you sell the pig for how much?
10,000.
So you make 4,000 profit.
Yes, perfect.
It's good.
Yes, it's good.
So it's good business if you breed pigs because you're always producing.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
Producing feeds,
Yep.
producing newborn babies,
Okay.
like that one, anayon.
So you have to be tatay and nanay to the back.
Grandchildren.
Yeah.
There's an anayon also there. It's so big.
A lion.
Aboy,
So big. You can walk here.
di ko din namakay.
Ayun, doon. Kay, check.
Asa?
Nadali sulod.
Iro.
Hero is dog.
Iro. Kabalo ko.
Ano, sir? You have the biggest one.
Rolando.
Biggest one.
Wow. That's tatay.
The main.
The breeder.
boss.
Stud. The boss.
Yeah,
Hugo boss.
yeah. That's more than 100 kilos.
Wow. So how many pigs can be produced if he mates with the
Maybe
one nanay? How many
Pigs.
babies can she carry?
they can carry 12 babies.
12. Wow.
Sometimes more
Profit.
than.
It's very sunshine, so I have to. Oops.
Big, sir.
So this is the breeding, the stud.
The stud. The main bones.
So these pigs can be dangerous.
Yes.
So
If during their birthing their babies, it's very dangerous.
yeah.
That's why if you have pigs, you need patience and time. Because some of the mother, when you breed your pigs, newborn pigs, you need to go down to the nipple, to like that. So
Ah.
they can feed.
Yeah. Do sometimes the mother pig kill its babies?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes rabbits
Yeah.
do that.
Establish. That's why you need time. That's why if you need to feed pigs, you need time. You need patience.
Patience.
Wala ka lang yung hearing pops?
Yeah, ito.
And this is the manok
Yeah, chicken, rooster.
rooster. It's good business for roosters, manoks.
For me, it's good in the pizza.
It's better with a pig.
Yeah. Because sometimes this one can be stolen.
Yeah.
That's
So
why
you have iro to protect the balay
Yeah.
and the chicken.
the security.
Yeah.
Secure dog.
Yeah. Salamat.